Hello! In the last video tutorial, you learned how to log in and find your Edgewood College tenure and/or promotion ePortfolio area in FolioTech. Right now, what we're going to do is take a look at how to upload the files that this portfolio site guides you through. So editing the portfolio is the topic of this brief video tutorial. The FolioTech Edgewood College Tenure and Promotion portfolio site really guides you very sequentially through this process. So the first thing that you'll need to do is upload your application essay. When you click on Application Essay, you'll receive this menu that has the components that you need to include in this area of your ePortfolio. You'll need to include your application essay. So to upload that file, you'll click here on Application Essay. Then you will click on Add File. Then you will click on Upload New File. Then Next. And then you're going to choose which files you want to upload. So you click on Add Files. You need to know where those files are located in your computer. So in my case, I'm going to be clicking on my Rebecca Zambrano system folder, and then on My Documents, and then on FolioTech Application Essay. Notice that it appears instantly. This is a Word document. It appears instantly here, and I can rename it just by clicking on Rename and going into the text box to change the name if I wish, and then clicking on Save. And now I can just simply click on OK. Remember that any time during this tutorial you can stop the tutorial and go backward through it by using that pause and play button in the lower left hand area of the tutorial. But I've uploaded my document, so I'm going to click OK. Now later I can go use the sharing button to invite colleagues to look at my portfolio and give me valuable peer feedback, or I can use my comments button to check what others have said about that particular area of my ePortfolio, those who have invited in to take a look at it. You can see that my FolioTech application essay has now appeared inside of my ePortfolio. To remember what else I'm supposed to put into this area of the ePortfolio, I'm going to go back here and click again on Application Essay in the left-hand menu. And yes, I remember now letters from colleagues are something else that I need to include. So I'm going to click here, go through the same process again, add a file, upload a new file, click Next. Click on Add Files. It makes me click on that again, Add Files. And now I can go into my computer. I can go to the area where I'm storing those letters of recommendation from other people. And I can click on my file. I can either click twice on it or click on it and click Open. And now FolioTech, the letters from the colleague, have entered my portfolio, but I'm going to change this because this is actually a letter from colleague. And I'm going to name it 1 because I'm going to have 3 other letters from colleagues. And then click Save and OK. Now you can see that my letter from a colleague has appeared in my files. Now I'm going to go back to my application essay. My evaluations by the department chair, the dean, and the academic dean should be included in here. So the same process is what I would use. I would click here, go to Add File, and add files from my computer to that area of the ePortfolio. The file uploading process is very simple, and the portfolio landing page itself guides you through everything that you need to input into this area of your tenure and or promotion ePortfolio. There's another area which is called supporting documentation. This area asks you to upload files related to your teaching. I'll click on that so you can take a look. An introduction, statement of your teaching philosophy, self-reflection and course evaluations, student comments, peer evaluations, syllabi, faculty selected artifacts, anything that you would like to add that you believe demonstrates your teaching practices, your teaching philosophy, and student learning outcomes. Scholarship and professional development is another area that you'll need to upload artifacts into. It includes an introduction, peer-reviewed or juried publications, juried art exhibitions, and so forth. There's an area, of course, for service to the department, school, and college. That includes some different kinds of artifacts you can upload. There's always the option of the faculty selected artifacts so that you can get creative with the kinds of exhibits that you include in your ePortfolio. And then there's an optional service to the community area where you can include more of your own selected artifacts. This concludes the demonstration of how to upload artifacts into your ePortfolio. Next, we'll look at exporting the ePortfolio, evaluations, and what sorts of resources and sharing features are available.